Today, we're going to dive into the beautiful country of Slovenia, a hidden gem in Europe. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the culture, people, places to visit, landmarks, food to eat, and things to do in Slovenia. First off, let's talk about the location. Slovenia is a small country in Central Europe, bordered by Italy to the west, Austria to the north, Hungary to the northeast, Croatia to the southeast, and the Adriatic Sea to the southwest. Its capital and largest city is Ljubljana. Now, let's dive into the culture and people of Slovenia. The country is known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and diverse culture. The people of Slovenia are warm, friendly, and welcoming. They take pride in their traditions and are eager to share their culture with visitors. When it comes to places to visit, Slovenia has a lot to offer. From the picturesque capital city of Ljubljana to the stunning Lake Bled, there's something for everyone. Don't miss out on visiting the Pristine Cave, the Triglav Castle, and the Vinca Gorge. As for landmarks, Slovenia is home to some of the most breathtaking natural wonders in Europe. The Julian Alps, the Soca River, and the Triglav National Park are just a few examples of the stunning landscapes you'll find in Slovenia. When it comes to food, Slovenian cuisine is a delightful mix of traditional dishes and modern twists. From hearty stews to fresh seafood, there's something for every palate. Don't forget to try the famous patika, a traditional Slovenian cake, and the delicious kronska klobasa, a local sausage. Lastly, let's talk about things to do in Slovenia. From hiking and skiing in the Alps to exploring the charming towns and cities, there's no shortage of activities to keep you busy. If you're looking for a more relaxed experience, head to the coast for some beach time or explore the stunning Lake Bled. And for those who love a good nightlife, Ljubljana is the place to be. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife scene, with plenty of bars, clubs, and live music venues to keep you entertained. So there you have it, folks. A quick overview of everything you need to know about Slovenia. I hope this has inspired you to add this beautiful country to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!